after a long time. So how are you all guys? I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna create this beautiful Rakhi makeup look for you guys. So let's get started.
At first I'm shaping and filling my brows with this HilaryRhoda Eyebrow Kit. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty Concealer palette to define my eyebrows more properly and blending it with a brush. Now it's time to prime my face and eyelids, and I am using this purple Truejwel 24 karat gold primer. As I am doing the eye makeup first, so I am using this same Swiss Beauty concealer into my eyelids and blending it with a brush. Now I am using this Wet n Wild banana powder to set my eyeshadow base. I am taking the first color from the Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette and blending it with a brush into my crease line. I am taking the second color from the same palette and darkening my outer eye corner area and crease line a little bit. Now I am taking this third darkish shade from the same palette and blending it with the first two colors. I am taking this shimmery shade from the SFR Hated with Love palette and place it into my eyelids. I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer into my under eye areas, bridge of my nose and here and there where I need to cover up a little bit more and blending it with a brush. Foundation, I am using this Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and my shade is Desert Beige and I am blending it with a brush. For baking, I am using this same Wet n Wild banana powder. I am slightly contouring my face with the same Wet n Wild contour powder. Off camera, I put on my false lashes already. After baking, I am sweeping off the excess powder from my face. I am back after wearing my jewelries and dupatta, and now it's time for blush. For blush, I am using this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo and my shade is Malibu Barbie. For lipstick, I am using this Huda Beauty lipstick and lip liner. The shade I will mention in the description box. To complete the eye look, now I am using this shimmery shade from the same SFR palette and blending it into my lower waterline area. Now I am using a little bit mascara into my lower eyelashes. At last it's time to glow up, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter palette and applying it into the bridge of my nose, into my brow bone area and high points of my cheeks. To make my makeup long lasting, now I'm using this swissbeauty makeup fixer.
So friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys will like this look, and if you like it, please give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy Rakshabandhan.